Hey guys, welcome back to our new lecture. So, in this lecture, you will learn about bundle pricing, its definition, and its uses. So, selecting multiple products and selling it as a bundle, or buying one and getting one free product, same product, or it's another complementary product. Bundle deals can be promoted in multiple ways. So this qualifies as a bundle package or bundle pricing. You can have a coupon implemented, or you have a normal product that's sold separately, and then you can have a package like a bundle for lesser price or for discount or something, an offer that could make people feel like they are getting a better value. Then you have joint bundling. It is when the two same or different products are offered together for one price. Leader bundling happens when a leader product is offered for a discount if purchased with a non-leader product. For example, accessories with a phone. So suppose you are selling something, okay, it is a higher value item, and with that you sell low value items free of cost. Now what you can do is you can increase the cost of the main product. Okay, so when you sell it, people feel like they are getting multiple complementary items that otherwise will take them more money to spend, so they feel like they're spending it and get a better value. Then you have mixed bundling or custom bundling. It is when customers are offered to buy a bundle or separate product service or services themselves. Mixed bundling or custom bundling, it is about when customers are offered to buy a bundle or separate products and services themselves. An example is when web hosting offers you registration, they offer you a domain name if you're buying a hosting, or if you're buying a hosting, then you are offered a domain. So it works like that. You can also apply it on products. Suppose you say like if you buy 5,000 in your currency the value items, then it will the customers will get this percentage discount. Okay, so if they buy one product that is of lesser value, they would have to pay the delivery fees or they will not get the discount. Another example is you are buying 120 GB hard drive that costs 200 GBP, and then the 200 GBP it costs you 350 GBP. So most of the customers will consider the 120 GB that it is a good deal, it fulfills your requirements, and you are paying the lesser price that suffices, like it is good enough.